Check this out. Can you guess what this is? This is a new killer whale from 3D Gob. So it's another addition maybe to the fish tank. So you can go over to the shop and pick these up. I will have these available. There are 6 of them. Very fidgety, super cute. Look at that face. You know you want it. Okay guys, I have these 6 available right now on my shop. So go over there, pick them up, get yourself a little fish tank, add a little Dumbo octopus, maybe a turtle, maybe a crystal crab, or a cute little shark. Okay guys, like, share, and leave a comment. How many are you going to go grab?